American lawyer to drag Buhari government to international court over violation of Nnamdi Kanus rights. This is the news headline. You're welcome to the news. The details. Indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, has threatened to drag the government of President Muhammadu Buhari to the International Court of Justice over what it termed gross violation of the rights of his clients by the Nigerian government. Bruce Finn, who spoke to journalists in Abuja on Wednesday after Kanus' trial was adjourned to January 19 and 20, 2022, also vowed to appeal to the United States Congress to consider sanctions against Nigeria. The lawyer, who specializes in constitutional and international law, with numerous articles on constitutional issues for the Washington Times, Slate.com, the New York Times, the Huffington Post and Legal Times, was one of the lawyers that were denied access to the court during Kanus' trial on Wednesday. He noted that he has been denied access to Mr. Kanus 5 times, which according to him is a gross violation of his rights. I'm Nnamdi Kanus' international lawyer. I am from the United States. Today was the 5th time I was told I could not enter the courtroom, despite a previous court order that Nnamdi Kanus could have access to any 3 persons he wanted to, Bruce Finn said. Bruce Finn, an American lawyer and international counsel to Nnamdi Kanus, the detained leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, has threatened to drag the government of President Muhammadu Buhari to the International Court of Rights of his clients by the Nigerian government. I actually had a chance to talk to him briefly on his way to the courtroom, and it is clear in these 5 times that they are targeting me in particular. That is the reason why this proceeding did not hold today. Bruce Finn said he had seen enough evidence to take the matter to international level, since, according to him, it was obvious that Nigerian courts are compromised. I am here to tell the Nigerians and the international community that I am taking this matter to the international tribunals, because it is clear that the Nigerian tribunals are compromised. This is an international working group in Geneva, the International Court of Justice, the International Criminal Court, and I am going to the United States Congress, where I will be urging that sanctions be considered against Nigeria for gross violations of fundamental human rights. There is no human right more fundamental than the right of an accused to access a lawyer in a criminal case. It is enshrined in Nigerian Constitution. It is enshrined in international covenants on civil and political rights. It is in the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. It is the basic principle of civilization. If you are accused of a crime, you should have access to a counsel, and he has been denied access to me 5 times. I am here because there are huge international law issues that are present in Kanus' case. We all know about his kidnapping in Kenya, the extraordinary rendition to Nigeria being one of them. So, I am here because I am an international expert to provide more enlightenment on what legal issues that are present here. I'm not here because I want to try to create a problem or to create some kind of irritation. And yet, I have been denied access to him 5 good times. I am not a threat. I have not acted in any way that is disruptive. I have been cautious, provided my identities. But on each occasion, they would say, Mr. Finn, you cannot visit him. I believe that I am the reason they locked us out of the courts today. The American lawyer, Nnamdi Kanus, has said that it's going to drag the Buhari government to the International Criminal Court just because it's a gross violation of his rights. That they are denying him the access to Nnamdi Kanus, and this is the 5th time they'll be doing so. So it is because of him. That is why the court has to adjourn the case, the trial of Nnamdi Kanus, to January 19th and 28th of January 2022. He has vowed to appeal to the United States Congress to consider sanctions against Nigeria. That Nigeria courts are compromised. They are not doing the case the way it's supposed to be. He has enough evidence to take the Buhari government to the international. It is clear that Nigeria tribunals are compromised. It's going to the United States Congress, the International Criminal Court, where we'll be urging that sanctions be considered against Nigeria for gross violations of fundamental human rights. Remember that Nnamdi Kanus was renditioned from Kenya to Nigeria. So he's here as an international expert because he knows about the criminal case to provide more enlightenment on what legal issues that are present here. He's not here to create any kind of irritation nor cause problem, but he has been denied 5 times. Why? My listeners, please feel free to share your view on this. Thank you.